my name's Austin Porter. I've been playing drums for about 5 years now. I do a lot of drum covers, and also I'm an independent artist, so I'll play for some bands here and there. Today I'm going to be talking about the Collision 7A drumsticks. What I like about these sticks is the feel of them, the durability, and the Collision brand overall is very supportive. They have fast shipping. So if you want a brand that believes in you and supports you, but also provides great sticks like these, I would definitely go with Collision. I also got the stick wrap as well. If you're a beginner or someone that plays out a lot and you're afraid of these sticks falling out of your hands, or you just want to practice with them or have more grip on your sticks, I would definitely go with the stick wrap. But today I'm going to be playing Hero by Skillet, so I hope you guys enjoy.